How to change your profile picture on Duolingo. So if you go to your profile right here, and if we click on the settings, as you can see, you can change your avatar, but you can't really change it with another picture. But I'm going to show you how you can do this as well. So basically, once you set up an avatar, you can't use other profile pictures, but there is a way of bypassing this. So you want to open up Duolingo either on your computer or on your phone's browser. I'm going to do my computer because I have it ready right here. So it's going to look like this. And basically, once you log in into the official Duolingo website, then you can go to profile, and then we select this option right here. And we can actually choose a profile picture that we like. So it doesn't have to be an avatar. We can actually set up a profile picture through this way. So remember, you have to use the browser either on your phone or computer to change your profile picture on Duolingo. So hope this helps. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.